Senator Kim came visited us a couple months ago, we stressed to him that no matter what happens, is that the social service, there's going to be a greater need for the social services, not less need. I understand there's issues, fundings are needed for schools, hospitals, frontline workers, and so forth. But we see the need for the social service increasing as this thing gets prolonged.
There is a huge shortfall right now in the funding. But if you guys cut us and if you cut the social services, the long-term effect, I think, is actually going to cost the city more money, right? Because if you have more people in homeless shelters, if you have more people on government assistance, that costs the city more money, right? And same thing with health. If someone doesn't have health insurance and they can't go to their annual checkup, and then God forbid they don't catch something so they go to the ER, that costs the state 10 times more money than if they were to have preventive care services.
COVID has been, terrible for everyone, and it really has caused some of our community members to feel such despair and desperation. But what we've been able to do because of funding from CKA is to provide that a little bit of extra financial support or a little bit of that extra time with the counselor. And what our clients say is that that gives them hope for the future.
It's not about a few people donating hundreds of thousands of dollars to help the community. It's 1,000 families helping 1,000 families. It's about the whole community coming together. And that's how you build a community.
I'm one of many members of Council of Korean Americans. And of course, the programming of CKA is not just for the benefit of members, it's really to benefit Korean American everywhere through training, funding, increasing networks. I think this is a really important function that CKA provides, and it will have a lasting impact. You're planting the seeds of influence in the future.
We are working hard to provide hope for our communities and planting seeds for the future. We are working tirelessly to connect our communities and our leaders together through programs such as our affinity group initiatives, where we're bringing health and life science professionals together and attorneys and women leaders together. We are promoting leadership training and knowledge within our young people as well as our professionals through webinars such as the Building Resilient Leaders series or the Ignite Next Gen series. And we are mobilizing our leaders for action to address the increasing challenges that our Korean American communities face as this COVID-19 pandemic extends into the future. I invite you to come join us at CKA's virtual gala on November 21st as we reflect on an eventful year, celebrate our leaders and our trailblazers, and support an emerging movement where we're empowering today's and tomorrow's leaders. I hope to see you there.